Welcome to NextGen Spark, where ideas light up your future. Before we begin, don't forget to hit like, tap subscribe, and join the spark that's shaping tomorrow.
Are you ready for 2026? Everyone's chasing the next big app, the next AI trend. But what if the most valuable skills of the future have nothing to do with a screen? The truth is, our digital world is expanding faster than our human growth, and that's where the real danger lies. The digital trap. Think about it. We're more connected than ever, yet somehow more disconnected from ourselves. We measure success by notifications and forget how to navigate real life without them. This is the digital trap, the illusion of progress. We're mastering tools that were meant to serve us, but now we serve them. The endless scroll, the dopamine hits, the race to stay relevant. It's easy to forget that the skills that actually build your future aren't on your screen, they're in you. So what are the skills that'll truly matter beyond screen time? Let's get real. Number 1, emotional intelligence, EQ. In the age of AI, emotional intelligence is your superpower. Understanding emotions, your own and others, builds better teams, leaders, and creators. Machines can simulate emotions, but not feel them. The ability to empathize, lead, and communicate will separate humans from machines. Number 2, adaptability and continuous learning. Technology evolves every 6 months. Your degree doesn't. What matters is your ability to adapt, learn, unlearn, and relearn. The most successful people aren't the smartest, they're the most flexible. Those who keep learning, unlearning, and relearning. Flexibility isn't optional, it's survival. Number 3, critical thinking. AI gives answers. You need to ask better questions. Critical thinking helps you see patterns, challenge trends, and avoid being just another algorithm follower. Think deeper than the algorithm. Number 4, creativity and innovation. Creativity isn't just art, it's how you solve problems. It's what makes human ideas powerful, unpredictable, and inspiring. AI can imitate, but it can't imagine. The next big thing won't come from copying, it'll come from creating. Machines replicate, humans imagine. Number 5, real-world collaboration. The world is connected, but teamwork is broken. The ability to communicate clearly, listen deeply, and collaborate beyond borders is what keeps progress alive. It's not about working online, it's about working together. The future belongs to those who blend tech with teamwork, building real human trust. See, beyond the algorithms, beyond the updates, these are the skills that make you future-proof. The real world still needs you. Your empathy, your ideas, your courage. Go beyond the screen. Build something real. Because in the end, the most powerful technology is you. The future won't be about how much time you spend online, but how much value you bring offline. So maybe it's time to look up from your screen and start building the real skills that truly matter. Which real-world skill are you working on right now? Comment below. Your story might inspire someone else. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more future-ready insights from NextGen Spark.